TSAMM's Angel Tree module revolutionized the way Salvation Army commands manage their Angel Tree program. To aid commands dealing with COVID and the need for social distancing, the online contactless Angel Tree application was born, both streamlining the intake process while also limiting unnecessary person-to-person interaction. 2022 brings the newest addition to the Angel Tree module, the Sorting and Distribution Management Toolkit. This collection of new features gives Angel Tree administrators the ability to track an angel's gifts from the point it is returned by a donor to the point it's given to the family on distribution day. The Sorting and Distribution Management Toolkit introduces 3 new components into TSAMM Angel Tree. First, we've added 2 new sets of statuses, which we are calling sorting statuses and distribution statuses. These allow for better tracking of your gifts and families prior to and during distribution. Next, the distribution site Checkpoint web app gives staff and volunteers the ability to track your gifts and families from anywhere, whether on a mobile device, tablet, laptop, or any other device with a web browser. Lastly, we've added the distribution dashboard, your information hub on distribution day. Administrators play the role of Angel Tree Air Traffic Controller, tracking families at the point of check-in through to receiving their gifts, assigning gift pullers, and more. No 2 sorting or distribution processes are identical, even within one campaign. Therefore, we've made the process customizable from a new campaign settings tab labeled Distribution Management. Angel Tree administrators configure distribution sites differently whether you have one distribution site or more than you can ask for. Let's take a look at this new toolkit starting with sorting. The sorting of gifts, angel bags, and family boxes is a massive undertaking whether you have 1,000 angels or 30,000 angels. The sorting or gift tracking component of the toolkit covers all checkpoints during the days and weeks prior to distribution day. To assist with this process, we've added a new set of statuses we are calling sorting statuses. Some of these include gift returned, received at warehouse, quality control, ready for distribution, and more, all of which are customizable to fit your situation. Want to keep it simple? Only use 2 or 3 of the statuses. Change your mind, come back and add new statuses as needed. Our new Configure Checkpoints tool allows you to associate sorting statuses to real-world checkpoint locations at each of your distribution sites. Some examples of checkpoint locations might be warehouse, loading dock, core gym, or any other specific place you wish to specify. Here you also set the sequence or order in which the gift should progress. Distribution day is probably the busiest and arguably the most important day of your entire Angel Tree season. For this reason, we created new distribution statuses which allow you to track families from the time they are checked in through to when they are updated as distributed. Some of these statuses include checked in, ready to pull gifts, gifts pulled, and distributed. Because you can specify different statuses for each distribution site at your command, you choose which statuses fit each of your sites. Our new Configure Checkpoints tool allows you to associate distribution statuses to real-world checkpoint locations at each of your distribution sites. Some examples of checkpoint locations might be parking lot entrance, loading dock, or core gym. You will then set the order in which families should progress and have the ability to enable additional options associated with the checkpoint. Lastly, you have the optional ability to require a family representative to provide a digital signature to confirm the receipt of gifts if desired. Your last distribution status will always be distributed. Updating a family to distributed updates both the applicant records and all their associated angels. There will be no need to go in after the fact to update your records. The toolkit does it for you. This new toolkit brings new exclusive features to radically increase speed, efficiency, and accuracy in the sorting and distribution process. With the introduction of checkpoints, users at these different areas of your distribution sites have the option of using barcode scanners that can easily connect to any device via a Bluetooth connection to increase both accuracy and productivity. At each checkpoint, the user has the ability to add notes to a gift or a family. This allows the user to signal any information that will be beneficial to know ahead of time to the rest of the sorting or distribution teams. Perhaps the applicant only speaks Spanish? This will allow the team to assign a Spanish-speaking volunteer to this applicant. The uses are limitless for this feature. All of your Angel Tree helpers will be able to access the web app that is created for each distribution site. Each Angel Tree helper will log in with their first and last name. Once they are logged in, they have the ability to perform each of the necessary checkpoints from the convenience of a mobile device or other networked device like a laptop, iPad, or tablet. The distribution dashboard allows for easy tracking of the applicants on distribution day. This will allow for volunteers and staff to see a visual representation of both how many people are in a given checkpoint as well as how long they have been waiting. After the season, this information is available to be analyzed to see where bottlenecks occur and how that can be mitigated for future Angel Tree campaigns. The Sorting and Distribution Management Toolkit is a customizable set of features that will enhance your command's ability to track and manage your Angel Tree sorting and distribution. Contact the TSAMM team with any questions about how we can continue to partner together.